In an effort to increase everyone's awareness to the new features of the Workforce Telestaff site, in this case, the mobile version, we'll be making quick tutorials on some basic but frequently occurring events. Today, we'll review how to add extra hours to a shift, for example, if you extended for a late call. On the upper right-hand side, you're going to click on the hamburger button, which opens up the main menu, and you're going to click on Calendar, and then you're going to select the date that you need to edit and hit Add. Now you're going to enter the work code, which in this case will just select extra hours for a 12-hour shift, PTL, paid through lunch. You're going to hit the detail code, which, as we said, was a late call. And now you're going to click on the time that you're adding. So we already have your shift built in. What you're going to indicate is the length of time that you stayed. So if you worked a 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. and you stayed 1.5 hours for a late call, to show you a trick here, you can just hit the plus sign. Because you need to indicate the date with the time, hitting the plus sign moves it up to the next day, which is the end of your shift. So we'll say 0600 to 0730, and it changes the date and indicates that 1.5 hour extra. So again, you're just indicating the length of time that you stayed extra hours. You can add any notes that you want the scheduling team to see. You're going to click this little add button here and then hit save. And that's it.